What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another new earning video, and today we are revisiting Benjamin. Benjamin is an app. Basically it's a cashback app. You can use it with shops, things like that, but they also have games that you can earn money with, and you can cash out this money. So within this video, we are gonna jump back into the Benjamin app and take a look at it in 2025, as well as I'm gonna do a cash out and show you guys how the cash out process works. So with that being said, let's jump into it. So basically, to keep things short, I haven't revisited Benjamin up until a couple weeks ago. So I've been using Benjamin for the last couple weeks again, like on a daily basis, and so I've earned some money, and towards the end of this video I'd like to do a cash out and show you guys how to cash out and things like that. I'm also going to show you guys the games that I used and played to earn this money to get the cash out. And for those of you who do not know, there is a $25 minimum to cash out with Benjamin, but it's not super hard where you have to go way out of your way to earn money on games to be able to cash out. And I'm going to show you some of the games that I've played, and the games are pretty much easy. It's like an AFK way of just letting it sit there, and as long as you're earning experience points and things like that, it's basically easy. And as long as you're earning levels in the game, they're gonna pay you. So that being said, let's check out all of this stuff. Yeah, so obviously it did not save my video that I just did, over 6 minutes long. We're just gonna keep it short this time. But basically, the games I earned with, we're just gonna go straight to it. My games: Vegas Craze Casino, Time Master. These are all the other games. I don't recommend doing Challenge Arcade because it pays less. The Fun Zone pays decently if you find good games to play. Yeah, and basically you want to be doing your daily streak every day because they give you money. You also want to try to invite family and friends, because you get bonuses like this. You also want to find high-paying games, like with Benji's Best. It's on the homepage. You can get money for signing up with FanDuel, Chime, things like that. You can do Benjamin Instant, which pays out like 10 cents every day. They have games right here: Challenge Arcade, easy games, low rewards; Diamond Den, harder games, higher rewards; Fun Zone, medium games, medium rewards; Venture Alley, medium games, medium rewards; and Bounty Bay, games and offers. I usually do Fun Zone because it's pretty easy and the rewards are decent. You can shop online and earn cash back at Adidas, Walmart, Sephora, Tractor Supply, AutoZone, PetSmart. You can scan your receipts to get cash back on things that you buy. You can watch videos for cash. You can invite friends. You can do challenges, Diamond Den double ups, connect your card, and you get instant cash back whenever you shop at stores. You can answer surveys for Momos, and you can get up to 20% cash back on items that you purchase. And also make sure you share your money moments, because sometimes they give you bonuses on that as well. You can see here I'm at Platinum tier, which is the highest tier that you can go, and it requires $150 claimed cash rewards, and you get up to 60% more cash back when shopping online and shopping at other places using your card if it's connected. At the Platinum tier, you enjoy 60% more cash back on all qualifying purchases. The more cash you claim, the closer you are to your next tier, which does not matter if you're at the Platinum tier. And if you have more questions about Benjamin, make sure you like this video Subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and also comment below if you want to know more about Benjamin. Let's go into the other camera angle. So yeah, basically with Benjamin, it's super easy to earn. If you just go to the fun zone, medium games give medium rewards. I found it to be pretty much easy, and they pay decent rewards. They pay out dollars compared to pennies. The games are easy if you can find like Vegas Craze Casino or the Time Master game that I found, which is just a spin game, and yeah, you roll dice, things like that. It's super easy. And basically make sure you're sending out your link to family and friends, have people sign up. Also, just going on the app every day and logging in gives you a streak. They also will pay you after so many days. And yeah, I recommended so many things within this video as much as I could, because I'm having technical difficulties today, but we are going to try to get this video filmed, edited, and pushed out. Yeah. Within this next part of the video, I'm going to show you guys the cash out, how much money I did end up cashing out. You could see a little sneak peek maybe towards the beginning of this video, not sure, but we're about to check out how much money I cashed out, and I will talk about if Benjamin is good in 2025 or not. Let's jump into it. Alright, so as you can see, we're on Benjamin. I'm about to cash out this $32. Obviously this is a voiceover after the fact, but today we're using same day payout. That way I can show you guys the proof of payment. Originally I didn't know what I was going to use because I had to reconnect my account, but eventually I just did the same day. And the same day you have to have, it takes away like 99 cents from your balance as a fee, but so $32.08 is what I'm cashing out. It'll end up being like $31 and some cents. And that's basically the cash out process. It's not hard. You just set up your account using Plaid and boom, it's good to go. So now that we made it to the end of this video, you guys seen tips and tricks of everything. You guys seen the app in 2025, what it looks like, all of its features. Basically, is Benjamin good in 2025? I'd have to say Benjamin is still good in 2025, as long as you're doing most of the things that I mentioned within this video. One thing that I do wish that they would hurry up is sending out cards to people that has signed up on the wait list, who have already been signed up for a couple years now. I would like to get my Benjamin card so that I can put money on the Benjamin card and use the Benjamin card just like that. However, that's just my personal preference. I think it's been a long time since they've had that feature in the app, but they have not sent out cards to people yet. That's one feature that I'm really looking forward to. But that's all the time that I have for this video. I thank every single one of you for tuning in, watching this video, watching all of my other videos. If you like this video and all of my other videos, please like this video. Also subscribe to my channel to receive more notifications about videos like this. And comment below if you have more questions about Benjamin or any of the other apps that I've shared on my channel. And I'll see each and every one of you in the next new video. Peace.